Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. Today is a great day. Today is W or Wormhole Wednesday, and it is time to claim an amazing airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to claim those beautiful tokens. And fortunately, I got a nice allocation. I really hope you got one too. What you got depended, of course, on the activities you did on the bridge. And this is going to be a great parameter to understand what is coming on other airdrops coming from bridges. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so again, this is Wormhole. Wormhole is a bridge that bridges tokens between chains, and that would include chains that are normally not compatible, such as Solana and EVM chains or Cosmos chains. I believe this is one of the better bridges out there. It was complicated to use, and that effort, of course, it paid off because the airdrop is sweet. Now again, this will be a reminder for you if you have not started farming the layer 0 airdrop. It might be worth, because this drop is worth a ton. So if you have not started with layer 0, I'm gonna redirect you to, I'm gonna place a link in the description of this video and on that side to that video where I showed you how to participate on that quest. So I'm going to show you my browser. You can follow along. I'm going to show you how to claim those tokens from W. It's kind of simple, but it has some tricky parts. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. I had a little bit of trouble while trying to do so. I finally learned what I was doing wrong, and I hope to be able to provide you with that useful information in this video. So let's go to the browser. And here we are. This is the official airdrop website. I'm going to place, as always, the link in the description of this video, so you can just click and get to this part. Now, this is the main site, and we're going to click on proceed. Of course, it's going to ask us to connect some of our wallets. So in here, and this was the problem part that I was trying to deal with. You can click whatever you want here. However, if you're not entirely sure that you bridge tokens from one of these chains to the other, then if you just click just for clicking, you might get stuck on further steps. So let's just make sure that we click on the ones that we need. So in my case, I did have an Algorand website, an Algorand wallet that I had used in the previous cycle, not on this cycle, and I just click on this check mark, but then I would not be able to complete the process. So I'm just going to leave this out, and in your case, just make sure that you click on the ones you really used. Otherwise, you're going to have to come back. It's not the end of the world. You will have to come back to the first step, and that will restart things. Now, if you have been participating in the Wormhole Discord, then you might be able to claim some tokens. I understand that if you were an old user of this Discord, you were able to mint an NFT, and that would, of course, even double the allocations you got, which was not my case, unfortunately. I was not a strong user of this Discord, and some other Discords channels receive more allocations, such as Monet. So that's why, guys, I keep telling you, go and participate on the Monet Discord, because it will bring some benefits, including the upcoming Monet airdrop. Okay, so let's click on proceed, and now it's going to ask me to verify eligibility. I'm just going to click on proceed, and it's going to tell me I already connected all my wallets. So as you can see, I got different allocations for different wallets. On each wallet I had different activities. So as you can see, I was not able to receive tokens on, let's see, it was Injective, although I bridged something in Injective, but I think it was not enough. The criteria is not entirely clear, and I did not get any tokens from my Discord activity, but it will change depending on what you did on this chain. So I'm going to click on proceed, and now it's going to ask me to connect my Solana wallet. Now, you're going to get these tokens on Solana, so that's why it's important to do so. If you connected on the previous step, it's already connected. Now all you have to do is click on proceed, so I'm going to go and do that now. Now you're going to be having to sign and claim a number of transactions. Now one thing I need to tell you is that the Solana the Solana chain is congested because a lot of people are trying to claim this airdrop. So you might be having to try and retry a number of times, and maybe leave an hour or two between tries, because not much is going to change in a minute or so. So last time I tried, it was like an hour ago before recording this video. I wanted to know what I could expect in order to record this video now. So I'm going to click on proceed, and then it's telling me I have already signed a couple of transactions, not all of them. I'm going to click on proceed again, and I'm going to click again on proceed on this little window that opened. Now it's going to open my wallet. In this case, the first one is my Phantom wallet. So I'm going to enter. Actually, I'm going to log in first, and it's going to charge me 10 cents of a dollar to sign this transaction. And I think it's going to be useful to claim the Solana part. It's not entirely clear to me yet, and it might fail. Yeah, something went wrong. So in this case, it failed. As I was saying, guys, you might need to retry this during different time frames. So I'm going to just close here. Apparently I was able to claim something, and it won't tell me exactly what. So the only moment I will know is when I'm able to claim everything. Now it will ask you to sign a number of different wallets. So if you use Cosmos, it's going to ask you to sign Kepler or Leap, whatever you're using. In the case of EVM activity, it's going to ask you to sign MetaMask or Rabi or whatever you're using. And in the case of Solana, in my case, it was Phantom. So guys, I'm not going to be able, unfortunately, to show you exactly when I claim everything because of this congestion, and this congestion is going to leave me trying for the next number of hours, hopefully not days. But I highly suggest you start trying, because the sooner you claim, the better. There is a time limit to claim. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but today is the first day, and today is a really great day to start trying to claim. I hope this video was useful to do. If it was, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Startup Central, because in here we talk about airdrops and in general how to make profits in crypto. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.